Hi everybody, welcome to card number 4 in our rainy days card class. For card number 4 we're going to create a shaker card using some of these really sweet loose daisy embellishments. Okay, I'm going to show you how we're going to put this card together. So we're going to start by actually folding and creasing our card base. Okay, and then we're going to start work on our DSP layer, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our window sheet and we're going to stick this to the reverse of our DSP. Okay. Like so. Okay, so stick that down. And then we're going to use these lovely foam adhesive strips, of which you've got a few in your kit. Okay, so you're going to take your pieces, and you should only need 2 of them. So you've got actually enough in your kit to make 2 of these cards. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this down to my window sheet, just following that circle around. I'm sticking it down so that you can't really see it from the other side, so it's just sitting inside our circle, and you're just going to keep bringing it round until and you want to make it meet there. And the reason you want to make it meet is so that none of our embellishments slide out. Okay, then with your other piece here, because these are a little bit thicker than a dimensional, you're going to actually stick this piece to the back of your card, because this is how we're going to stick this to our card front. Okay, so I'm just putting a few pieces down, sort of in and around. Okay, now if you run out, you should have, I think you've got 4 of these actually. I am just going to cut out another piece to stick there. Okay, take off all your backings, of which there's quite a few. It's quite nice peeling all these pieces off. Okay, and then you're going to bring your card in, and what you want to do is you want to put all of your embellishments where you think they need to be. So I'm just going to put mine in a little pile, up a little bit higher, and then I'm going to stick this down to my card front. Like so. And there you have your little shaker card. Love it. So now all that's left to do is to add our pieces with our die cuts and our sentiment. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stick my bridge on, but I'm actually not going to use the whole bridge. So I'm going to cut it off about there. Yeah, lovely. So stick this down. Like so. It's actually going to cover more of my piece there than I have done on my first card, but you know what, that's okay. Then we're going to stick our bunny rabbit down. It's having a lovely time dancing in the puddle. Like so, and then we've got our little umbrella to stick down. Such cute images, aren't they? Okay, so there's the main part of our card done. The next thing we have is we have our banner, and we have our rainy days are better with you sentiment again, which we're going to stamp. Now, where did I put that sentiment? It's here right next to me. I'm stamping this sort of over to the right hand side of this banner. Snip a little piece off, and this is going to get stuck down about there. So that is the front of our card. Now all you've got left to do is to stick your inner piece down, and then you have a piece of the DSP, just 2 centimetre strip, to just bring that outside inside the card. And that is card number 4 all made and finished for you. I will see you all over on the final card, number 5.